Welcome to the reveal of the Galaxy S26 series, where intuition has evolved into something truly remarkable. The S26 generation moves beyond mere recognition to anticipation. It's context-aware proactivity, reading the room, the screen, and your schedule. This intelligence is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos 2600. It features a 38% increase in NPU AI performance and optimized on-device processing. The Now Nudge feature is a device that reads the room. It uses context-aware shortcuts to predict your next move and minimize steps. Now Brief summarizes your day with bite-sized proactive briefs throughout, helping to manage your routine effortlessly. Get information at the speed of thought. Internal Retrieval uses Finder, while external information is accessed with Circle to search for multi-element discovery. The device acts as a personal controller. Use natural language understanding to translate intent into settings adjustments without digging through menus. Experience studio-level editing, that is text-prompted. Features include generative fill, object removal, and reality reconstruction with Photo Assist. Transform imagination into an asset using Creative Studio. Create custom stickers and profile cards from simple sketches or text descriptions. The intelligent ISP includes the Pro Visual Engine, now on the front camera. Enjoy enhanced nightography video and high-resolution wide cameras. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus offer peak brightness of 2,600 nits with displays of 6.3-inch and 6.7-inch respectively. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the ultimate form. It features an integrated S Pen, an exclusive privacy display, and a powerful 200 megapixels wide camera. Privacy is key with Knox Vault for hardware isolation and Personal Data Engine for on-device processing. You decide where your data lives. Experience connected intelligence with Galaxy Buds 4 for high-fidelity audio, Smart Switch for effortless transfer from iOS, and Quick Share for cross-platform sharing. The Galaxy S26 series is the most intuitive Galaxy yet, naturally adapting to you. Pre-order now to double your storage.